loud noises of the people crying, saying, losing their fundamental rights, which is very specially enshrined in our constitution. Dear leaders, what I wish to say is that we are having a very important blessing from the God. That is this big platform of MSF to serve the nation, to serve the country, to serve our society. We have a wonderful constitution starting with the preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into sovereign, socialist, democratic republic. The term democratic, let us examine what is the condition of our India now. We know when the BJP government had started their reign in this country, there are numerous problems from the all sectors of the society. They are gone of making this India into a Hinduistic typical culture, and the forcefully they are making the whole country into a very critical condition. We know that we all can see numerous queues in front of the banks. We can hear loud noise of our Najib from the JNU University. We know the noises, the democratic condition of the campuses in our country. We have heard that the opposition parties in Kerala, like SFI, always say that we are national party. But we never saw them raising their voices for Najib. We never saw them raising their voices for the country when the country was struggling with the demonetization. We never saw them raising any voices for any students of this country. So I wish from my heart that this platform is there to serve the society, to unite together and to bring forward our wonderful constitution, to show the Modi, to BJP government that this is for the country which our decision makers had forefronted. And one more thing which I wish to say is that we must be very proud. We all must be very proud. Why? Because we have a wonderful history. We were there with the independence struggle. We were there before the independence, the Indian Union Muslim League. The MSF was constituted before the independence. If we search the history, we can see that numerous leaders were there. I point out one, our Honorable Fatima Jinnah. She was an eminent leader of the MSF before the independence. We can see that our honorable leaders sitting in our constitution debate. And regarding the Uniform Civil Code, as our Honorable Sadiq Ali Shihab Thangal had pointed out, Uniform Civil Code is just a big issue which our country is facing now. People, Modi government had an agenda to implement this Uniform Civil Code. But we can see that there was not any, at least the law, before becoming a law, we will have a picture how it is. If we ask what's uniform government, he say I don't know. If you ask what's uniform civil code, he will say I don't know. Because there's no clear cut picture till now. If we can see that inconsequently our Honorable Baba Sahib had raised the voice for this community. He stood up. He told Mr. Ambedkar, my society, we are having our own culture, our own religion. We practice our religion. Article 25, we have our religion. So please resolution. Please make a change in this. And I am shortening my speech with this small with this Poker Sahib had asked Mr. Ambedkar to clarify this, and you must know that Ms. Ambedkar had replied that Mr. Poker Sahib, we are not going to establish this uniform civil code with your resolution. We are not going to implement this. We will consider. That is the important history we must remember in this point of issue. So, I wish to unite to fly with the colors of MSF, all the country, raising the voices for all the victims, for all the tears of Najib, the Rohit Vemula, and all others victims of BJP government. Thank you. Have a nice day.